I don't think so.
Yeah, because I'll tell you, Lucas just called up and said, where's that guy Gary?
Yeah, Gary's got heat issues.
Gary's busy.
Yeah. Look at your ramp guys up there. They got their hands on their hips. Okay, back them in.
God bless you guys. Have a good run out there, guys.
Thank you.
God bless.
Peace, Caves, man. Gary, be safe, babe.
Hey, Scott, you see my ripcord?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on.
Hold on a second. Okay.
That's pretty weak.
And attention in the pits. River Racer. First off, 1 and 2, you should be on your way. River Racer, go ahead and make your way to the lane. Back eliminator warmed up.
Oh, the damn spring came off. I don't think that's going to stay on.
All right?
Shit.
You want a 10 minute?
Go ahead and turn the battery on.
Okay, you're hooked up. Hey! You got all this water and shit in here, dude.
The back dipped in a little bit.
Scott, you're going to have to watch that. The spring's missing. Go ahead and turn the battery on. I got to bump it a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
Where's the other one at? Damn it. Scott?
Yeah.
You're going to have to watch this. The spring's missing. I don't know where the hell it went. That puppy could come off and screw us.
Where do you guys want to go?
What's that? All right.
Right in the middle?
Yeah. You don't see a spring laying down there someplace, do you? A little spring?
No, I don't see anything, Gary.
Damn it.
Must be broke.
You did great, Scott.
What now?
You did great.
You okay?
You did great.
Hey, Gary, you know the scoring way out there? They'll make that far turn down there where we get put in the water.
Yeah?
You're missing that buoy. You're going on the inside of it instead of the outside.
Oh, okay.
Don't you remember? Dwight said
Okay,
everything.
Dwight told me it didn't matter whether you're inside or outside of that buoy.
Well, he said everything should be on the left.
Yes, you did. Wow. The GoPro thing didn't stay too straight. Or is that the direction he wanted it?
I think that's how he wanted it.
Huh. Should be some pretty amazing footage. Boy, that thing stayed on there. I was scared to death it was going to pop off when we're down the straightaway.
Well, I was checking it out.
You did good, man. Listen, the minute we get on the trailer, I got 5 more brand new ones in my toolbox.
All right.
And yours is tight, right? So we'll leave it
Yeah,
alone.
I'm fine.
The spring had to have broken.
You're gonna drive it in, right? You're just gonna drive it in?
You gonna drive it up or you want to tow?
No, I can drive it.
We're gonna drive it up.
Okay.
Here we go, Claire. Can you get it?
I did.
Nice. Watch your fingers up there.
Yeah.
Oh, Scott, can you turn the battery off, please?
Yeah, they're gonna have to back up.
They are. I can't push it up that far.
Thanks. Oh, that was way too much fun, you guys.
Now that you finally got to go?
Huh?
Now that you finally got to go?
Yeah. Great.
Copy.
You're gonna have to okay, bring the boat up.
How much room should be on this side? About.
Tell her to watch your fingers, please.
How much room you got over there to the fender?
It's got to be right up
Okay,
next to it.
in.
Pretty good.
An inch?
Right up next to it?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Okay.
All right, on it. Okay, go.
Sit right up next to it.
Go up.
Oh.
Perfect, guys.
Okay, we got it.
Wait. Is it,
guys are
is
good.
it down? Okay, we're good. It's just the way that.
It's on.
Thank you.
All right.
You got it.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Yo,
guys.
get it over here. Hurry up.
Get it.
Yeah, it's good luck. It's good luck.
Right on.
Thanks. All right. Yeah, we've got luck. That thing stayed on. That was wonderful. That was way too much fun, Scott. That was way too much fun. Thanks for riding with me.
What now?
Thanks for riding with me.
Oh, you got it.
And you're okay
Yeah.
with everything? But people would be in trouble without a four-wheel drive. Nice job! It must have been those jets.
Yeah. I owe you.
Want a drink of water?
Yeah, I figured you had 3 waters sitting in your seat.
Yeah. You drink that, I'm fine. First time ever. poor Guffin. He
Yeah.
broke, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what the deal is.
Jesus, I come all that way and
Yeah.
have problems.
All the way from Georgia.
How maddening is that?
Yeah. So if we're running again at 2,
Yeah.
let's get our freaking gear straightened out. All right.
Well, it's me. I get so damn hot.
Well, I mean, I do too, but I just try not to think about it.
Well, yeah, but I'm afraid it's not that way with me. I mean, I get these damn hot flashes, and it's terrible.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been known to jump in the water. In fact, I was actually thinking about it there at the end. But then it gets my shoes all soaking, and then they don't work too good.
Good job out there.
I'm alive. Man, 2 of my customers died of prostate cancer. Terrible death.
Man, I've seen that before.
Hopefully it'll smooth out and all the drag guys will go and they won't ask us to go on at 2 o'clock. That would make all them happy.
Don't. I wouldn't plan on that.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Oh, he took it out of 4-wheel drive, I think.
Is it gonna clear the tongue okay?
What now?
The tongue on the trailer?
Yeah, it's fine.
In River Racer, where we normally 1,320 feet are, 12 seconds to that, now we're at 10 and up here. That brings us right here in Lake Havasu, finished plastic powder coat. That doesn't fire and grill, rotating point, towing point. Oh, wow. There's a nice Roger fit. And he's left side, right side, one engine. Right bottom right here.
You know that.
Winner from